Hey you, do you want to be a content creator? Well, you come to the right spot to learn how to become a full-time content creator, how to really take it seriously, and how to gain the support that you need in the communities around you to be a successful content creator. Now let's get into this video. Is this something that you're passionate about, that you could talk about over and over and over and over again, possibly on camera? YouTube is for you. You need to join the platform. Let me show you how you can turn your passion into income here on YouTube. Follow me for the journey. Now, you got all types of content creators on YouTube. You got people who cook, clean, shop. You got people who teach you money management, people who teach you how to budget your money, people who talk about other people. You got so many communities here on YouTube. Why wouldn't you want to join in on the fun? Now, the number one thing here on YouTube is consistency. Now, that doesn't mean posting the same video at the same time every single day, but it does mean give your audience something to look forward to. Give them something that they can follow you for video after video, right? So don't post today and not post another video for 3 months, and then in 3 months you post 2 to 3 videos, and then you don't post again for 6 months, and then in 6 months you post 4 to 5 videos, and then you don't post again for another year. That's inconsistent. Also, when you're posting videos on a platform, if you're posting shopping today, cooking tomorrow, hair next week, YouTube is never going to know who to send your content to. Y'all, I am sharing this with you from I am sharing this with y'all from whole experiences that I've had on Brittany Wells, the Mommy Motivator. I've made all my mistakes on that channel, and going forward on this channel, I want to do nothing but make the right choices and show y'all in real time what it looks like to steadily grow a YouTube channel. And here on the Wells Analytics, we will deep dive into the actual numbers that get you the results you want, and to show you how to perform here on the YouTube platform. Let's get into it, y'all. Maybe you're a mom like me and you worry about your background noise, you worry about your kids, you worry about how can I create content? My kids are always loud and they're always doing this and they're always doing that and they don't cooperate. I can't be like the bigger YouTubers. I can't make these videos and get people to watch because my kids are bad. Listen, let me show you. Let me teach you. Subscribe to Brittany Wells, the Mommy Motivator, and I can show you in real time how you can block out the noise and create quality content for the YouTube platform that people would love to enjoy and come back for more. Some people who worry about their background, they worry about the mess, they worry about the chaos, they worry about everything but what's important. We all have mess. We all have chaos. We all have some of it at some point or another. Whoa, see what I mean? Chaos. Sorry, y'all. It's real mom life, okay? I'm gonna heat up some coffee. But first, coffee. I'm just chatting.